What is up, everyone? This is Dre. It's time to trade stocks. I haven't been on for a minute here the last couple of days. Things. Was it 2 days? I don't even know. I know it was definitely yesterday. I just wasn't up to it. So, whoa, man. Gosh, look at Facebook. I'm preparing to make this video. Facebook earnings came out, and could I make this big? Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, here we go. This is the after hours. You can kind of look at the action, how it was just going up, and now it's just going down. Yeah, let me get that for you. There we go, desktop. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, right here, right? So where did it close? Facebook closed at 204. Right now it's 206 in the after hours. So it's still up. And this is early. It's early, but it's a good sign. It jumped up pretty nice out the gate. And I don't know exactly what the earnings were, but I look at the stock, I look at the chart, like, oh, I guess it was good. But guess not. I guess they're actually looking it over. I always wonder why, when the earnings come out, that split second that they're out, boom, the stock is reacting. Oh, who read the report? What is it trading on? It's crazy. I mean, that's when it's like somebody knows something. It's like as soon as it's out, boom, there's a reaction. And it's like everybody knows what it is. You got to read it. So anyway, yeah, man, I guess they're not liking it. I don't know if that's going to take down the Qs or my Amazon trade. And, yeah. If you watch my videos, you know what I'm trading. You don't even gotta watch me. You know what I'm trading. And I was in and out, just trying to catch. I guess I was doing scalps. See, look at the 2000s going back down. Every day it's been going up. See, and I'm trying to bring up the action for the last couple of days. Look, just opening down, up. It opened here, went straight down, then up, closed on its high, opened here, straight down. No, this one day was straight down, but the next day was straight up. And I've been buying these lows and trying to get some play, for the next day. So, and it's just not happening. When it gapped down to 1970 day 20 points, I was like, oh my God. I had short-term calls, and I was like, oh, if it just gets up there, I'm out. So what does it do? It comes up today, and it closes basically at its high, right at the two, and I didn't sell them. No, because I'm like, oh, it's telling me it wants to go up, so I didn't sell them. I'm like, I'm hoping to get like a good 10, 15 point pop tomorrow. No, I'm not getting that. I haven't been getting that all week. And right now, it doesn't look like I'm going to get that tomorrow either. So what is it? The bid is 1996 and the ask is 1999. It closed at 2000. So it's already, bidding kind of lower. And I guess that's based off of Facebook, so yeah, that's what's up with that, man. Come on, man. Hang in there. I need a pop tomorrow, but regardless, option premium will still be rich tomorrow because they report tomorrow. So that's why I held on. I'm like, I'm not going to lose too much. If it could just kind of open up right here in this area, the premium's going to be really high. And I got to decide what I want to do. Do I want to hold this or do I want to sell it? Now, Netflix tanked. Okay, that was bad. Now it looks like Facebook, doesn't look like it's going to be a hero either. Okay, that's two of them. And what do we got? Alphabet, Amazon, and Google. And I guess Apple. I don't think Apple reported yet. But, wow, let me see what Apple's doing. 208. It is basically right at its high. I mean, for the most part. And that's why I like Amazon, because it's not there yet. Well, I take that back. It's there. And actually, I'm sorry. I take that back. Yeah, Apple ain't there either. Yeah, I forgot it was up at 233. Yeah, so it's, a little cup and handle going on right at resistance, So what is it going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to go up? You're going to go down? You're going to go, what are you going to make up your mind? Anyway, right here is the pivotal point. Something's going to happen. I also jumped into the heavy, and I said I wasn't going to do that until the eye WM and the RUT, little of both. Same thing, or one's the index and one is the ETF. And you could see this bar. It was a great day today. It was just trending. I mean, so I'm like, yes, can you finally break out of the range? Look at the last 2 days. So I've been in that. I made nice coin right today. I'm right in this dip right there. That's where I bought. And yeah, it was just popping. I just hope this is the beginning of something. VIX is low. These companies are coming out reporting well. The Fed possibly cut next week. The China deal maybe Monday. Right, we know something, so this will be actually a good time to maybe get into the small caps. You can see it just wants to bust. You got a higher low here, and it's like a little triangle action, and something is gonna happen. It's gonna resolve it. Come on, draw already, draw. Anyway, I've been getting whipsawed. If you go to the daily, I've been playing this in and out, and right here, I gotta stop buying these here. I always want to be early, and I buy because I'm so confident it's gonna break out, and then boom, I suffer that. Wait a minute, no, was I in? No, I wasn't in that one. No, I wasn't in that one. Take that back. Let's come over here some. Like here, I'm thinking, all right, we're gonna test. No. Then here, I think I got in, and then no. And then I was I was getting chopped up in here. See how it's up, it's down, it's up, down, up. So I'm getting chopped up, and look at this candle. Kind of wipes out. It's almost like an outside day, I guess, but not really an outside day because the next day is down here. But this body takes out a lot of action for the last couple of weeks. So maybe this is it. But if you look at it, it's just red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. So it's all, tomorrow could easily be red. Tomorrow can easily bring this down to where it opened today. It's just a messed up chart. But if for some reason this is it, this is the move, right? This can go a long way. So I think this is the trade to possibly be in. This, the Qs is high. Everything is all-time high. Not this. And if this is gonna play catch up, especially if they set the tone with this China deal, in the interest rates, I think that can set the tone. Banks are doing all right. I mean, Goldman Sachs was like ripping the day. Yeah, look at the banks. Banks is up 1.3%. So I think it sets the tone for the small caps to kind of play catch up. So that's why I'm kind of trying to get in there, but I'm trying to catch that bottom, and I'm just catching a falling knife. Really. It's just, I got to stop doing that. Give me a minute here. All right. Yeah. What's up, Cashmatic, man? I don't know why my it's not drawing on my thing there. We should be seeing it. But I don't see. What is that? Yeah, something is not right. All right, enough of that. Let me get back to the video. So, yeah, that's my trade. Oh my gosh. Just thinking about it, I was so pissed off. Lost a lot of money, a lot. And it blindsided me even. When you're, it closed at 251, when you're just long too much when you're looking at your P&L and like, what the fuck? What's going on? Anyway, that was me. This is United Healthcare. I was a victim, and I just look at this. Here's the week. Here's the daily. I got in somewhere over here, right around this pop. It was going up. Everything was fine. You see a little pullback. Fine. You think 50% tracement. You're thinking, okay, 68%. No, look at this. It totally went all the way back into the range. I don't know what's going on. It reported earnings, but I'm just trading the action. I didn't really pay too much attention. And then when the earnings came out, let me see. It came out. They beat 7/18 before the market. Yeah, so we had this down candle right here, and that wasn't bad. It came down and went back up. So I'm like, all right, it's gonna hold. Nah, it's just straight every day. This thing was open up. So I'm like, I don't want to sell here. I'm waiting for the bounce. No bounce. No bounce. And this thing just straight down. Look, right here, I guess at 250, it cut through 250. It totally cut through there. It came back. It went all the way down to, I was just watching this go down today. What was the low? 245.13. And I was like, what is going on? Waiting for all of these buyers, the support right here to catch. It's got to bounce. It eventually did, but it really went into this range right here. And I'm like, what? So I got out. I know I should have really stayed, but I hanging in here, I took losses. I should have got out somewhere up here, but very upset with myself. I mean, look at that. This is just ugly. I mean, how did it just go straight down? Let me see something. Yeah, so it lost basically 9% in how many days? That's six bars. 9% in a week, right? Five plus 1 day, a week plus one. Crazy, crazy. And the volume's kind of strong, but this is probably a good time to get in. But I'm gonna stay away, man. It's too choppy. Look at that. That's the daily. It's just too choppy. It's just too choppy. I'm not messing with that no more. I'm gonna stick with the indexes, and of course I'm at SPX, and I'm starting to get. I got iron condors in this, and my upper strikes are right now sitting at the 25 delta. There's my blue, my I got it drawn right there on the chart. So. Yeah, if y'all hear noise, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it drawn right here. Oh, shoot. There's my iron condor, those yellow lines, and those are my short strikes, and this thing is just going up, man. Can we get a little bit more sideways action? Can we go down a little bit? So I might have to make an adjustment. That's why I hate iron condors, but it was looking good for a week or whatever, and then now it's starting to catch up to me. I hate when sides are getting tested. So I'm going to let it go up a little further, and then I'm going to go ahead and roll up this side. And then once I do that, I'm going to adjust the credit, the buyback that I'm trying to buy it back for to be the same. So I'll get more money, and I'll kind of add that to the money I already got from the call side, from the put side, and then make the adjustment and try to get out. Just want to get out. I'd love to get out easy. But this, if you look at this, it just looks like it wants to go higher. It looks like it's going to just test. And I got a call spread on the Qs, which I'm very upset. Sometimes when these things are not, all right, I'll make some money tomorrow. It's coming back down, overnight. So I guess Facebook is bringing it down. Oh, let me check real quick. Let's see. Yeah, Amazon's hanging in there. What's the other one? Let's look at Microsoft. I'm gonna have to listen to the news, see what the Facebook earnings. What are they talking about? What's going on there? Anyway, forget that. What stock was I talking about? Qs, yeah, Qs. Because I got a call spread. I think it's this area. The 199 to 200 call spread. I sold it for 20 cents, way back here somewhere. I mean, this was way out of the money. And I'm collecting like $60 a day theta, right? Approximately. And it's going up. At the same time, volatility is kind of coming in. So the call spread's losing. I needed to just, can you come down a little bit? Can you go sideways? Anyway, but I think it's been holding its value because the FANG didn't report yet. So we got Facebook out the way, and tomorrow's Amazon and Netflix. If they don't bring it up to this range, I think that I'll start getting the credit for that. The volatility will, I guess, drop. Well, let me see. I don't know what I'll do. Confused. But anyway, I'll get my money. I'm sure it'll start to value the way it should be because, yeah, it's another 3%. I mean, this SPY is really something else. I mean, look at the runs that this thing has just been making. It's like I said, it's almost like a penny stock when you zoom in. It's just you really into the trade and you're catching it. I mean, once it starts a direction, I guess she didn't get my my you're live.
I'll watch you.
All right, bye bye. So I guess the notification didn't come out. Generally, she's on the live and she doesn't call me when I'm live. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, I do all the videos live. It just makes it easier. So I might, mess up term. Like I was like, oh, I don't know what it's doing. No studying here, no editing. Just go ahead and do the video. I like it like that. How you like it? You like it like that? Let me see something there. I'm sorry, bro. It's my Twitter. Yeah, I'm trying to see. Why I keep bringing that damn Twitter page up? Yeah, let's bring this page up. I want to put an Iron Condor on. What do you got? IWM. I don't know. Just it's because it's starting to run. Well, it's perfect now. I won't say that because it still needs to prove itself. But be wary of this candle that it drew today. That's a nice size candle. It's good volume down here. So it possibly could start to run. So if you do it, maybe consider, let's put it this way. If it was me and I'm going to put an Iron Condor on, I would have my call strikes way the hell out there, and my put strikes kind of high probably. Because I don't know. I've been getting it wrong. I'm getting it right. Right now, I'm ahead of the game. I got some good money made on IWM and the rut. But it's choppy. It's choppy. Just look at the chart. Red, green, red. That's all you see. It's like Christmas up in there. Look at this piece. Christmas! Right there! And here's the range, the immediate range, right here. Right, I got some lines drawn. They're not the best lines, and look at that candle, man. It's trying to break out of there, so be very careful. Look, it's still running in the after hours. It's not doing a Facebook, So, yeah, just be careful. Be careful with that. I like, and what is this? So I said UNH, and that's basically what I'm in. I'm in the same trades. Amazon tomorrow. I got to decide if I want to hold on. I really do. I really feel confident, but that's when I fuck up, So I'm probably going to hold on. I like the price action. If it can really bust 2,000 tomorrow, I really like that. Facebook went up. I mean, these companies are reporting great earnings. Visa. I can't think of the companies, but so far it's a pretty good earnings season, and that tells me they should do well as well. Also, I'm in Twitter. Twitter is I talked about this in one of my other videos, and I gave you the heads up, man. This thing is starting to run. It was, when the market was going down, this thing kept going up. It was not going down at all. So the stochastics looking good. You can see my little gray box up here, and I'm like, that's my target area. That's where this stock is going. It's going up there somewhere. So if it can report a good earnings, I know the DOJ, they come and just want to ruin everything, coming right before earnings. So they want to investigate all social media and Google and Walmart and Walmart. I'm thinking, why didn't they do Walmart a long time ago? They the ones who shut all the local stores down. It was Walmart, not Amazon. Like, Amazon is not in my face. They're not marketing me. They're not in my face. I do have an Alexa. Maybe they listening. I don't know. But when I want to buy something, I decide to go to Amazon. When I'm driving down the road, I'm passing Walmart. I'm passing Dollar General. I'm passing everything. So the conversation, but I decide on my own, I'm going to log on to Walmart because those customer services suck. They just do the game. They play the same game. And they just play it good, right? You call them and they calls you back and somebody's on the phone. You ain't got to wait in line and nasty attitudes. It's just a nice experience. And it's so nice. We are willing to wait a day or two for our stuff. At least that's me. That's me. So I don't think they have a case there. And as far as Facebook and they don't sell they're not selling us. It's free stuff. Google, free maps, free search, But I can understand how Google might be antitrust because, like they could be holding. We don't know what they search algorithm is really, they could be holding back the competition, If I search for in-home device, in-home home automation, Voice home automation. Is it going to come up with Google Home or is it going to come up with Alexa? So I don't know. They just making it honest. Need to make it honest. I know they favor some YouTube creators and leave us low men down to fend for ourselves, and yeah, there's I don't know. I'm not in Google. I think Google. I want to be in it. Actually, I was in it for a lot of I think the last 3 I got burned every single time. I don't like the price action going in, man. Look, it's nowhere near the high and stock. I'm just not liking the way it looks. But at the same time, this is when it could go up when people don't expect it. That's when it pops. If they come out with the bar's already set low, if they come out with a good earnings, this thing is gonna pop and be trading around a high. Amazon, the bar set a little high, in my opinion, and so therefore everybody's all excited and giddy, and then that's when it goes down. So nobody's expecting nothing from Google, and so maybe there's a trade there. I know if it goes down, it's probably a good time to buy, maybe even long term. So I might consider buying some long term leaps if it drops down to that $1,000 area again. All right, so that's it. I wanted to keep this video short. I generally have the comments right there on the screen, and I don't see them. So there she is. There's Life Like I. So anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I wasn't gonna make one today, but I was like, let me go ahead and make a video. And let me see, we could end it on Facebook, see if this thing rebounded. It's flat, and it's still trading above the close. So where are we? It closed at 204.66, and the bid ask is 207. What is that up about? Yeah, it's only up about 1%. Yeah, about 1% or so. So that's good. That's good. It ran into the earnings, and that's what happens. When the stock is just going to run, and that's what I was just talking about with Google. Look at that. Well, that's today. But that's a crazy run into the close, boy. That's a crazy run. But look at this run right here, right? It just ran into the earnings. And remember in my videos, I said Facebook runs into earnings. It does it all the time. All the time. It's easy money. So before next earnings report, 2 weeks before, 2 to 3 weeks, start looking at it because it will run into earnings. It's been doing that forever. And I just wasn't in it. I just wasn't paying attention to it, even though I know because I'm deep in the water over here. I'm in this pool, so I can't be in both pools at the same time. I guess I could, but I wasn't looking at it like that. So I even missed it. But yeah, I said it in the videos. It runs into earnings. So does Amazon. But Amazon hasn't ran as hard. That kind of concerns me a little bit. But at the same time, that's good because you see what happened to Facebook. If it runs all the way up, nothing, no action. You know what I mean? So you just kind of look at the price action and see what's up. But I don't know. I'll think about what I want to do tonight. Anyway, so thanks for watching. What is that thing on my screen? Yeah, I think I don't know. All right, so, and we'll do this again tomorrow. All right, so appreciate every single one of you. Comment, like, subscribe. You know the deal. Share, tell your friends about me. Anyway, and I appreciate it. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.